All right, so hello everyone. Welcome back again to the class and good evening, Francis.
Good
Good
evening.
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 All right, so how's life going on today?
Fine, thank you. How about you?
Yep, I'm very well today, and my day is running well. And yeah, I'm so grateful, right, to have that. Okay, so Francis, maybe without further ado, while waiting for the others, we're going to open first our class today. So as usual, let's open it our class by praying together. Praying begin. All right, finish. Thank you so much, Francis. So we would like to continue our lessons. It's already our 9 meeting, and tomorrow I give you the spoiler. It's 9 meeting, then it means tomorrow going to be our 10 meeting, yeah. Then we are going to have the middle examination or mini examination. So what we are going to do, as simple as as simple as speaking, okay? Cuman ngomong aja teman-teman. But by the topic letter, that's really okay. Kita tentukan besok. Saya kasih waktu teman-teman untuk persiapan ya. So today we focus on the lessons that we have. Okay, so hello partners and welcome to day 9. Selamat datang di pertemuan ke-9, hari ke-9 ya teman-teman. Today we are talking about movie. Kita berbicara tentang yaitu movie di sini teman-teman atau film ya, Francis. And our today's goals is understanding and retelling movies we have watched. Oke, jadi kita akan memahami dan juga menceritakan film yang pernah kita tonton, menceritakan kembali film yang pernah kita tonton ya, teman-teman. By the way, before I continue it, I would like to ask you, have you ever watched movie before? Pernah nggak teman-teman nonton film?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So what was the what movie the last time you watched?
Hunger
Or
Games.
The apple of
how
my
to make
eye.
millions
Um,
before grandma dies.
all right.
Venom dong.
From Moana, President.
Ah, yeah, of
Maybe Moana.
course. Yes.
Yeah,
Mm.
Moana, right? Okay. So the viral one. Okay.
I love the song,
Okay. Which
the
one, bro?
Beyond one.
Oh,
Beyond.
okay. I know the song from Moana is you're welcome to see. What can I say except you're welcome? Like this one. Okay.
Oh,
And the next one here, Francis, let's do the chit chat topic first. Then it's going to be your topic for discussion as well. Jadi ini nanti akan menjadi topik teman-teman untuk discussion juga ya. Kita nggak berlama-lama di main room. Kita akan langsung pakai aja, kasih kesempatan lebih banyak untuk teman-teman untuk praktek lebih banyak speakingnya biar terbiasa kayak Francis. Okay, I would like to ask you first, do you like or not watching movie, Francis?
I do.
Yes,
I like it
yes,
so
I
much.
like. Yes, I do.
Is there
I do.
anyone who is just so here? Maybe ada yang cuman biasa-biasa aja sih kayak gitu. Kalau pengen ya iya bro, kalau enggak ya udah. There ada?
Yes.
Also.
Yes.
Okay. Yep. So
Me.
it depends on your opinion, your own choice ya, by the way, Francis. Pilihan teman-teman sendiri. Okay. So for you guys who likes watching movies, why do you like watching movies? Kenapa sih teman-teman itu suka nonton film?
For
Fun.
healing.
Oh, for healing. All right. Refreshing, ya. Then what else? Apa biasanya? Ngapain aja teman-teman?
For knowledge.
When I have a
for
spare
getting.
time.
Okay, the way you kill the time when you have a spare time ya, Bro Asfa ya. Oke, jadi kalau punya waktu kosong kayak gitu teman-teman, cara menghabisinya dengan nonton film. Oke, Then the next one, what was the last movie you have watched? Tadi udah saya tanyain yang ini nih. Okay. Then what do you prefer, Francis? Movie or series? Then why?
Series.
Movie because
Why?
just one
Movie
Movie
because it's not that
because
long to
Yeah,
watch.
but
yeah,
sometimes
that's the
I
common
prefer
reason or the
And
general
Game of
reason that
Thrones.
I heard. Yeah, sometimes most of people will prefer to movie because of what we are going to know the start or the beginning of the story until the end, and only maybe maximum 3 hours or something like that. But if series, it's only like 25 minutes or something like that, but we have to wait for a long time. Yeah, we have to wait for the updated one kayak gitu, karena yang nunggu yang paling update kayak gitu teman-teman. Oke, jadi nggak selesai-selesai kadang ya. But ya kadang ada itu sih yang suka seri, depends on the story. Oke, itu teman-teman. Then the next one here, Francis. So we're going to jump into the following slide. And those are some vocabularies that you can apply later in your speaking with your friends, in your discussion with your friends, Francis, related to the topic about movie, ya, yang berkaitan dengan topik kita tentang movie atau film, teman-teman. Jadi teman-teman bisa aplikasikan beberapa vocab ini nantinya dalam speaking teman-teman. The first one, we can go with cinema. Cinema is bioskop ya, teman-teman. By the way, have you ever found this one, Francis? Pernah nemuin kata ini nggak? So what
Yes,
about this one,
pernah.
Francis? Have you ever find this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
So theater and cinema have the same meaning, by the way, Francis. Bioskop. So what's the difference, bro? Yeah? Theater, it's the way how to say bioskop in English, which is American style. But if in cinema, so that's the way how to say bioskop in English using the British style, Francis. Jadi sebenarnya artinya sama aja. Cuman bisa dibedakan juga kalau dari penampilannya, kayak kita cara tampilannya about the play-nya. Oke. Nah, about the play-nya itu kalau theater lebih ke kayak drama kolosal, kayak gitu biasanya, teman-teman. Tapi bisa kalau disebut itu bioskop juga, Francis. Oke, then cinema itu sama aja artinya ya. Then the next one here kita punya ticket. In English, we pronounce it's not ticket. Ticket is in bahasa, but in English we pronounce ticket. Ticket. Not tay, tapi ticket. Ticket. Like this one. Yeah. Itu adalah cara pronounce-nya di Inggrisnya, Francis. Then the next one, sit. Sit di sini adalah kursi. Okay, what's the difference with chair? Kalau kursi, kalau seat itu sudah tetap tempatnya di situ, teman-teman. Kayak di bioskop, kayak mungkin di mobil. Nah, itu kan kursinya sudah tetap tempatnya memang di situ. But if chair, we can move it. Kita bisa pindahkan. Nah, kayak gitu kalau chair, Francis. And the next one, we have prologue. Prologue is about the gambaran cerita in a short story. Oke, jadi kayak dalam cerita pendeknya aja, kayak gitu teman-teman. Itu adalah gambaran ceritanya. It's about prologue. And the next one is cast. Cast itu adalah pemeran. Like Andin and Aldebaran. The cast of what, Francis? Do you know? Andin and Aldebaran?
Ikatan cinta.
Ikatan cinta. Okay.
Ada yang suka
So,
nonton.
then the next one, if cast is in general, can be a man, can be a woman. Okay. So, but if we spare it, kalau kita bagi, if we divide it, the girl, or I mean like a man, we can go with the actors. But if she is a woman, so we can go with actress. Jadi kalau cowok, kalau cast itu pemeran dalam generalnya, entah itu cowok, cewek, sama sebutannya cast. Nah, sedangkan kalau actor itu secara spesifiknya. Kalau cowok ya pakainya actor, kalau cewek itu berarti pakainya actress. Then the next one, plot. Plot itu adalah alur ya, teman-teman ya. Okay. Dan selanjutnya, it's how do you pronounce aliran in English, Francis? aliran atau ini teman-teman. Ya, aliran filmnya
Flow.
kayak gitu.
Genre.
No. I mean
Genre.
like how do you pronounce this one?
Genre.
Genre.
Alright. So maybe it's
Genre.
going to be as far as I know, as far as I learn as well, those are some common mistake that we met, Francis, that we found. Actually, the way you pronounce it, it's a little bit different with the word ya. I mean like the written. Dengan tulisannya itu beda. So it should be pronounced this one. Ini bacanya adalah genre. Okay. So it's not genre, but it should be pronounced genre. So what movie genre do you like? Oke, jadi kayak gitu. Kira-kira genre atau aliran film apa yang kamu suka?
Aliran
So it's
sesat.
not genre, aliran sesat. Oke. So di sini adalah pakainya genre ya, Francis atau aliran. Dan di sini adalah storyline. Storyline itu adalah alur cerita, teman-teman. Oke. Dan here is scene. Scene sebenarnya kalau di sini nih jatuhnya bukan pemandangan, tapi sebenarnya adalah this one. Ya, Francis, adegan. Bacanya bukan skin. Kalau skin itu kulit, teman-teman. C-nya nggak usah dibaca, jadi langsung bacanya itu scene. Scene. Kayak gitu ya. Okay, then the next one is dialogue. Dialogue itu adalah dialog. Then movie star, bintang filmnya siapa tuh? Kayak gitu. So then the next one is moral values. Nah, itu adalah nilai moralnya yang bisa teman-teman dapatkan dari cerita di situ. Okay. So the first one here, Francis, after talking about this, I would like to share those vocabularies to you all. Ya, saya bagikan ini. Francis, once again, I would like to remind you, it doesn't matter if you have a mistake when you are trying to speak up. Nggak ada masalah, nggak masalah sama sekali, teman-teman. Kalau teman-teman membuat salah ketika teman-teman mencoba untuk berbicara in English, okay? So that's totally fine, kayak gitu ya. Jadi baik-baik aja kayak gitu, teman-teman. Jadi nggak usah minder. Kita biasakan sedikit demi sedikit untuk teman-teman praktis. Nggak apa-apa dominan bahasa Indonesianya, teman-teman. Tapi setidaknya kita selipkan sedikit demi sedikit bahasa Inggris yang kita tahu, kayak gitu. Biar kita setidaknya nantinya terbiasa, kayak gitu ya, Francis. Perlahan kita lawan rasa takutnya, kayak gitu. Tahu kok mungkin teman-teman masih banyak yang nervous, takut secara grammar. Don't think about the grammar first. Yang penting teman-teman berani untuk speak up dulu, kayak gitu, teman-teman. That's really okay. Nanti kita bisa benahi bareng-bareng ya. Okay. So after getting some vocabularies here, Francis, and let me show you nantinya. Jadi kita akan pakai pertanyaan yang tadi di awal, itu untuk discussion-nya. Oke, sebentar. Aduh. Let me erase it first ya. Nah, di sini Francis, it's going to be your topic and I have some additional as well. Saya ada tambahannya juga, teman-teman. Oke, sebentar. Ini yang akan teman-teman diskusikan jadinya. Oke, ini nantinya kalau ini sudah selesai, nah barulah aplikasikan ini untuk cerita tentang ini, teman-teman. Oke. So pick a movie that you like. Teman-teman kan pastinya sudah nonton nggak cuma satu film aja, mungkin beberapa, 2 atau 3 kayak gitulah minimal, teman-teman. Nah, coba pilih salah satu film yang teman-teman suka, yang pernah teman-teman tonton itu. Tell about the prologue. Prolognya apa? Gambaran ceritanya secara umumnya tuh gimana? Kayak gitu, teman-teman. Then what's your favorite scene? Adegan favorit dari teman-teman tuh seperti apa? Misalkan kayak Titanic. Oke, I like the scene. My favorite scene in a Titanic movie is when Titanic ship crash. Ketika kapal Titanic itu bertabrakan kayak gitu, misalkan teman-teman. Bukan pas momen ininya ya. Okay, so and then what's the moral value of that movie? Kira-kira nilai moral yang bisa teman-teman dapatkan dari film itu tuh apa? Okay, So if we are going to see the Titanic, if we are going to talk about Titanic, so the moral value that we can find, that we can get is about love. Okay, ya, tentang cinta. Kayak gitu kan. Okay, so don't crazy about love. Kayak gitu. Dan ini yang bisa teman-teman gunakan juga. Jadi nanti yang awal dulu aja, nggak apa-apa. Terus nanti dilanjutkan dengan yang ini ya, branches ya. Oke, so directly semuanya pertanyaan dan juga vocabulary-nya sudah saya share di grup chat. Teman-teman nanti bisa di-download dan juga boleh kok branches kalau ada yang bisa akses untuk share screen, ditunjukkan seperti saya seperti ini. Pertanyaannya boleh teman-teman, sudah saya atur kok. Jadi teman-teman bisa untuk share screen juga ya. Okay, so here we are going to practice it directly biar teman-teman punya banyak waktu juga untuk praktisnya. And later tenang aja, saya nanti akan datang ke roomnya teman-teman and I'm going to help you. Oh ya, nanti kalau saya datang ke grupnya teman-teman nggak perlu, kalau saya nggak tiba-tiba nimbrung, nggak usah takutnya ngedistraksi ya. Ih, ada bro ya nih. Nggak bisa teman-teman, nggak apa-apa, langsung aja tetap dilanjutkan aja. Francis. Okay, so wait a minute. I'm going to invite you to go to the breakout room. Okay, so I have created and I'm going to open it ya. Oke, Francis, saya sudah buka roomnya dan kirim undangannya. Teman-teman bisa segera diterima dan juga langsung masuk aja ke breakout roomnya. Then start your conversation with your friends ya. Have a nice discussion, Francis. Hello, is there any problem with the connections maybe? Sis Mutiara, Sis Fulan, Sis Zahra, Sis Vina, and Sis Diva. You can go to the breakout room as soon as possible so you can start the conversation with your friends, by the way.
Sorry, Mister.
Yep, I have shared the invitation to Sis Wiwi, jadi bisa langsung diterima aja untuk start the discussion with your friends. Nanti ada pertanyaannya sudah saya share ya. Right. So wait, we wait for the others first, Francis, and I'm going to ask you first here. Maybe teman-teman yang udah kembali ke sini, saya pengen tanya. So, what is your favorite movie genre, Francis? Genre film favoritnya teman-teman apa nih?
Thriller.
Thriller? Oh, about detective?
No. It's like pembunuhan apa sih?
Oh,
Pembunuhan gitu.
about
Like,
killer. So it's a part of horror movie, I think, right? Or
yeah,
action
horror.
something.
But I don't like
I
horror
like
in Indonesia.
Oh, you don't like the horror from Indonesia. What about the others, Francis? What's your favorite movie genre?
Action.
Action, action.
Action.
Action, horror,
Okay.
romantic.
Is there anyone here who ever watched a movie, Western movie by the title Me Before You?
Oh,
Me,
no.
but I
Not
forget
yet.
I forget the
Okay, so Me Before You
the
is
plot.
about talking about a maid atau seorang a woman, ya, a woman, I mean a woman who is looking for a job. Then after that, she got a job as a maid of someone atau a man who has a disability, ya. So she is taking care of that man kayak gitu. Jadi dia itu kayak ngerawat kayak gitu teman-teman. Banyak berantemnya kayak awalnya nggak diterima. Dan after that,
Ending.
ya until by the end of the movie, ya, the girl or I mean like the boy or the man, because he is
Sick.
couldn't or he couldn't hold it anymore, then he decided to suicide untuk bunuh diri aja atau mengakhiri hidupnya. But the girl come and what is that? I mean like keep the spirit of that man kayak gitu teman-teman. Jadi kayak menyemangati dia. And after that they have sometimes like they have some relationship kayak beberapa hubungan, then they are become a partner. Jadi seorang pasangan.
I
Let's
think like
touch.
Agus maybe.
No. Kalau itu Agus itu beda bro, case-nya bro ya.
Apaan tuh?
Kalau case-nya Agus tuh beda bro, sangat jauh sih kayaknya.
Aku sedih banget udah hilang.
Iya.
Wah,
Udah ganti kayak gitu apa? Fisik bisa dirubah. Fisik bisa dirubah, uang bisa dicari, tapi tangan tidak tumbuh 2 kali kayak gitu teman-teman ya.
Katanya polisi belum menemukan bukti sidik jari.
Wih, kok dark banget nih jokesnya nih.
apa itu
Tapi
jokesnya
sidik
gelap-gelap
kaki ya,
banget.
Mas.
Iya, sidik jari kaki bro yang ada. Okay, so like this one, Malaka a goose, yeah, a goose. Okay, that's very nice, Francis. So every one of you here, I do believe that I'm so happy to hear that you were brave enough to speak up then right now, even though sometimes you are getting nervous because you don't know what you should say kayak gitu teman-teman yang seharusnya teman-teman katakan, but that's really okay. You are better than yesterday. Teman-teman sudah nyoba kayak gitu. So I hope that you can keep that struggle, then you apply that into the next meeting, dan nantinya kita akan coba untuk kembangkan terus kayak gitu ya, improvisations kayak gitu, friends. Okay, so here, Francis, I would like to remind you again and tell you that tomorrow we are going to have a mini exam, I mean. So nanti examnya cuman jadi besok join dan saya akan kasih topik teman-teman, you can prepare langsung kayak gitu. Jadi besok nggak ada materi dan langsung prepare. Setelah itu nanti kita akan breakout room dan teman-teman nanti menyampaikan apa yang sudah teman-teman dapatkan dari topik yang saya kasih. Topiknya apa? So besok saja saya kasih tahu kayak gitu ya, Francis. Jangan khawatir kok teman-teman, nggak actually the examination in a webinar class itu nggak ini teman-teman, sebenarnya kalau dibilang nggak ada pengaruhnya terhadap penilaian, karena nanti actually the certificate that you are going to get, it's only certificate as a participant, jadi tidak keluar penilaiannya kayak gitu teman-teman. Jadi nggak perlu khawatir kalau teman-teman saya cuma pengen assessment aja selama 2 minggu ini, gimana besok teman-teman kira-kira perkembangannya, dan itu bisa jadi penilaian buat saya ke depannya nanti di 2 minggu terakhirnya kita harus ngapain aja gitu ya teman-teman. Jadi jangan ditakutkan bahwasannya karena namanya examination bakalan susah, enggak kok. Kita cuma practice speaking aja, practice kayak gitu. Okay, so maybe that's all the information for me. It means that we are going to meet again tomorrow, Francis, at the same time. So with the same link, linknya sudah ada di deskripsi grup ya teman-teman. Jadi langsung dicari aja di judul grup kita dan nanti ditekan di deskripsinya itu ada linknya kayak gitu ya. Okay, so maybe that's all about the things that I can say to you, Francis. And we would like to close the class by praying together first. Praying, begin.
Bro, I want
Kenapa sis?
buat
Silakan.
mini examnya nanti di breakout room or di
Ya, di
room
breakout
kayak
room. Enggak, kalau ininya enggak nyampe sih nanti waktunya kalau satu-satu di. Jadi tetap di breakout room, but I would like, I'm going to check it later. Saya akan tetap cek, tetap pantau juga nantinya. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi tetap di breakout room, dibagi kayak gitu, teman-teman. Okay?
Okay,
So
thank
that's it.
you.
Okay, so Francis, maybe I would like to close the class, and that's all about the lessons that I can share to you today. We're going to meet again tomorrow, and that's all from me. As I say, see you tomorrow, and bye-bye. Thank you so much, Francis. Have a good night ya.
Thank you, Bro
Selamat
Yahya.
beristirahat, teman-teman.
Bye.
Welcome.